Armed men entered school to attack student. Teachers at Eltham High School in Spanish Town are currently having a sit-down demonstration to protest inadequate security measures at the school after armed men entered the institution this morning. The teachers say they are fed up and need better security as these armed men, as well as a current student and former students, entered the compound in an attempt to attack another student. The teacher says incidents like these happen far too often. It is believed that the incident began in devotion when two students got into a fight and one of his friends called for backup. Lord Jesus, the man calling him posse, brother. No one was injured though. The police and representatives from the Ministry of Education and Regional Office are now at the school. So basically, two of you get in a one fight and one of the niggas say, alright yo, roll in, and in bridging them roll in and ready for attack the next student. Why am I telling people, yo, not even in a school, the children them not safe. You see me? What them need for do, them need for beef up the security in a certain school. Not just certain school, but all schools. You see me? Nobody not supposed to can just come on the compound so and you can't even search them for see what them have. Or you see me? My point is ensure say better security their school. Because that's one thing I notice with schools, you can't just go over, you can't just step in and step out as you please. You see what I say? Nobody not search, nobody not check you. You see me? Them need for beef up security so that anytime you come in at the compound, you can get check. You see me? You don't want to wait till something go happen, then them start say, alright, them are gonna start check people when they come over on the compound. But I understand this still. Yo people, let me know what you think down in the comments. If you don't have any more information, you can let me know down in the comments. You see me? Like, comment and subscribe. I'm out.